Alright guys, we did the color on this beautiful hair. It's all done perfectly. Now we're going to work on her haircut to eliminate some of the weight. Turn to me like this way. So reducing the bulk creates mobility and you alright?
Mm-hmm.
Seems like everybody's sniffing today. What's going on here?
Oh, this is the tail end of it. It was really bad a week ago.
What happened?
Greg traveled with somebody before Thanksgiving, and that person was sick, and he got sick.
No, I'm not sick. I was the one that got less sick. I was sick 2.5 weeks ago. I got really sick.
Back in the 60s,
We were in DC.
I used to go to this
Visiting friends.
fancy salon in Boston,
There for
Yeah.
the Boston Inn, and you would stand up and do that.
Last day, I got a cold.
Bob is a classic. Been around a long time.
So you used to see this, what year was this? You used to see this haircut in Boston.
Yeah.
What? Where was it? Newberry Street?
I was about 19.
Newberry Street?
Did I what?
He's
Was
at Newberry Street.
Yeah,
In New Boston?
yeah.
Who was the hairdresser?
I don't remember, because it
A friend of mine's grandfather had
years
a,
ago.
Oh, yeah.
my friend's grandfather had a hair salon in Boston, Newberry Street. I was actually supposed to work for Vidal
It was
Sassoon.
next- I remember it was next to Bonwick Teller.
I didn't want to move to Boston.
Yeah.
I had a job opportunity there.
Nice place to visit that.
I had no relatives, you know, I was in my 20s. Boston, I was like, where is that?
And you feel like, yeah, right.
Chin up.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Right. But then you, yeah, well, my oldest son, he doesn't complain about anything. He's just a very nice guy. He gained so much weight since he's been living on his own. So all his large shirts don't fit him. So I bought him 2 extra large Izod and then 2 extra large regular shirts. And then I got him a sweatshirt. But the youngest one never tells me. Well, it doesn't always tell me what he wants. I give him money. This year, and we don't spend a lot of money on it. Like, I know a lot of people, because people do spend a lot of money. Who's growing up, and people who spend money. It just, honestly, it's not a big deal, so we don't spend it.
All the way.
This year,
Good, good,
yeah,
perfect.
he goes, well, I don't know how much it is for me to get a new Apple Watch, because his dad, who's Christian, grew up, and he would spend more money, and he got an Apple Watch a while ago, I guess, he needs a new one, he wants a new one. And I said,
Chin up a
no,
little
it's
bit.
too much money. You know, I'm not gonna get you that, think of something else that's less expensive. Yeah, no, this is my phone.
Turn for me. Keep turning. Good job. Yeah, baby. Been training you right. Cool. Shake your hair for me. Okay, coming back a little bit more. Look down. This creates mobility, guys. So crown takes a very flat. Most of the weight on the crown will end up here. So we gotta create lift. Can't put all the hairspray and mousse and whatnot, teasing, but it's not going to collaborate because haircut is not right done. So therefore, gotta make sure haircut is the most important part of the finish. Otherwise, hair is not going to cooperate. Especially you can put a hairspray, but after 10-15 minutes, your hair still will not cooperate. That's when you go do a lot of teasing. Try to get it collaborate, but sometimes it does not. Chin up a little bit. This is 2024 haircut of the year. 2024 haircut of the year, guys. Chin up. Put a little bit of I miss Rich. You need to come see me. You always watch my videos, but oil is amazing. All over the place. She comes all the way from Lula, Georgia.
Gainesville.
Gainesville. Oh, excuse me, Mom. But you told me you go as far as Lula.
It's close to Lula.
Okay.
Lula.
Lula. She's looking amazing, guys. Have a blessed day. I'm gonna take some.